RTE has gone wild for the month of May, so we have come to Dublin's Falconry in Balbriggan,
where we're going to have a chat with Trevor Roche about his love of birds.
Bird of prey, flying high.
So Trevor, how did you get into falconry?
So my father joined me in the Irish Hawking Club when I was 10 years of age, and I had my first bird when I was 11, which was a little kestrel. Here I'm here to educate, provide a bit of conservation.
Tell us a little bit more about the conservation element.
The conservation element is educating people in and around these birds of prey and trying to get these to survive.
Okay.
So this little fella is not an owl, he thinks he's a human. So you must think this is why he loves us today, and he'll fly around and he won't do anything. He just thinks he's a little human. When I call him, he's all on for the little guy. There you. He said, "What's up?"
How old is he?
Noddy is just 3. Unfortunately, short-lived in the wild, between 3 and 5 years old, but in captivity can live anything up to 15 to 18 years.
So you started off with one bird. How many birds do you have now? And what types of species are they?
I've 16 birds now at the moment,
Okay.
and another 15 on the way within the next 2 months.
Wow.
We've got the owls, 2 species, barn owl, Scandinavian,
Yeah.
Harris hawks, South American, Mexican, Argentinian, the European eagle owl, right down below us here.
That's a big, huge one here.
The big, huge one, and he's the biggest owl in the world.
Wow, he's gigantic.
We have a little fella looking out right at the very corner. We have Lola looking out, which is the snowy Arctic owl. We have here a young Lanner falcon.
And do you have a favourite bird here?
It has to be me peregrine tersel, which
one's
is
that?
Tucker.
Well, listen, we've talked about them. We can see you're so passionate. I'd love to be able to see what they can actually do. Would you mind showing us?
Yeah, no problem. Come on.
My big man hands.
You can see his pure heart-shaped face. This is how you know the barn owl. And he's incredibly sensitive. He can hear the mouse at a mile away. They're very, very rare. They're on the red list. This wind is too much for them.
Yeah.
So barn owls don't go out when it's very, very windy. And with the rain, these are not waterproof. So they get soaked.
Oh.
JJ flies in at 10 ounces. He's further north, so he's got that heavier body mass to deal with the colder climates.
Yeah, hey there, little guy. What's going on? Oh, he's so fluffy and gorgeous.
Oh.
No. Here's something I forgot to tell you.
Oh, okay.
He cannot see 3 inches in front of his face
Oh, okay.
because his eyes are in a fixed position.
Okay.
This is your Harris hawk. This is Cookie. Me there. Hi.
What is the best bit about all this for you?
Complete satisfaction.
How so?
When your bird is in the sky, it's the only time I do not have a care in the world. Now, I feel like a millionaire.